Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. I'm here in sunny Glasgow, and yeah, this is the first video of the year, so I figured I'd say hello. I hope your year has been off to a good start, and yeah, I mean, this video is going to be my unboxing and review. I hope you all enjoy it. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So here's the box. It's this plain white box with this carbon neutral branding on the side, because the watch and band combination are carbon neutral. Let's get this open. So it's got this really nice paper flap kind of mechanism. So we just pop that open and we've got two boxes in here. One with the band and one with the Apple Watch inside. And there's this cool graphic inside. Pretty nice. I'm gonna save that. Alright, now before we get to unboxing the watch, I'm going to unbox the strap first. I've gone for the Starlight color. It's this off-white kind of gold-ish finish. It's not really gold, but it's not pink either. I'm not sure how exactly to describe it. I'm sure you can see it better. But yeah, now let's get to the watch. Now I've gone for the silver Apple Watch Series 9 here. It's the GPS model. I'm not really a fan of the cellular one because I've always got my phone on me anyway. But yeah, let's peel this off. And I'm super excited to be getting into this one. This is actually my first watch with an always-on display, and I've really liked that. Like, I think it looks really amazing. I think it's just cool, you know, to look at your watch or from the side and just see that the screen's on. Well, there's the documentation, and here's our watch. It comes in this nice soft paper cardboard wrap. I tried getting the watch out of here without damaging that, but let's just say I failed epically. I had to tear it. Here's the watch, and here it is in silver. Now, up until now, I've only had my Apple Watches in space gray, and seeing it in silver, it's such a refreshing look, and I think it looks a lot better than space gray. Now, the band that you see it paired with is actually the band that I bought with my previous Apple Watch. I owned an Apple Watch SE 2nd generation before this, which I didn't really get to make a video on, but I do have a final review of that coming soon. But yeah, here's the always-on display. I really love that you can see the time without actually looking at your watch, and I love how it's so well integrated, you know, like the second hands fade. It's really cool because it works with different apps too, and overall I feel like the always-on display is just a brilliant touch. And another thing I noticed is that this edge-to-edge display is actually quite a lot bigger. And since this is the Series 9, it's got this double tap feature. Now, I haven't used it too much. I'm still getting used to the fact that it's there, because, you know, I'm so used to living with the Apple Watch without double tap. But double tap is super useful, and I'm sure that I'll grow to love it even more as I use it. And what surprised me the most is that even with the always-on display, always on, I've had really good battery life. Like, it lasts a lot longer than my 2nd generation SE. It comes to about like 2 days. Now, granted, if you mix in a heavy day worth of activity and stuff, you're gonna get a day. But I've been able to squeeze the day, the night, and the next day, at least until the evening, easily out of this thing. I've actually had a lot of fun using this watch, and I can't wait to talk about all of its features in my full review. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.